Did you ever have problems in the field with your calls? Not anymore. I'm going to show you a quick little kit that we put together years ago that really works. It's in a Ziploc bag, waterproof and everything, that really will help you in any situation. In my Ziploc bag, because it's waterproof. Did you ever see those little Grillo, the SOS pads like this? They're green. They come about this. You buy a whole pack. Well, I cut them up in little strips like that. This way they're portable, they're real small, and you wear one out, throw it out. But this thing's lasted you a long time. A little fine piece of sandpaper emery cloth just like that for your slates and everything. Another different version just like this to scratch those surfaces, get them noisy so when you come with your strikers it makes it perfect. I guess I go overboard. I got 3 different chalks for my box calls. But I'm always chalking them up. I'm always scratching the slates, always trying to do all this to keep things sounding perfect. Hey, I just had a quick thought because a lot of you are going to ask, why does this guy carry that much chalk? Well, sometimes I get it wet. Sometimes I drop it and I forget it. Sometimes I put it in my pocket. So I'm always prepared. Because I looked at it, I think of it this way. 3 strikes, I'm out. And then you just do it pretty simple. Yep. This is the Ralph Rant little repair kit for turkey season. I hope it works for you.